In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your team to adopt Asana. Transitioning your team to a new project management tool like Asana is a journey that, when done right, can greatly enhance your team's productivity and efficiency. Let's break down a structured approach to make this transition as smooth as possible. First, it's critical to understand the pain points your team is currently facing. Before suggesting a new solution, take some time to learn about the challenges with their existing processes. This understanding will allow you to tailor your explanation of Asana's benefits to directly address these issues. For example, if your team often struggles with tracking tasks or meeting deadlines, you can highlight Asana's robust task management and timeline features as a remedy. These functionalities not only improve task visibility, but also enhance accountability, which can be a game changer for your team. Once you've laid this groundwork, it's important to start small and incremental. Begin by introducing Asana through a pilot project. This approach helps in avoiding any overwhelming feelings among team members. Keep things simple initially. Focus on the basics such as tasks, assignees, due dates, and comments. This will allow your team to become comfortable with the core functionalities before exploring more advanced features. Providing hands-on training is another crucial step. Organize short training sessions, whether through live demonstrations or recorded tutorials, to guide your team through the Asana basics. Show them how to create tasks, update statuses, and utilize features that are pertinent to their specific roles. Additionally, taking advantage of Asana's built-in templates can simplify and streamline common workflows, making the adoption process more intuitive. Next, consider assigning a team champion or advocate. This person will be the go-to individual for all things Asana related, helping to answer questions, share useful tips, and ensure the adoption process goes smoothly. This champion will act as a bridge between the team's needs and the new tool's capabilities, facilitating a smoother transition. Integrating Asana into the daily workflow is essential for consistent use. Utilize the platform during team meetings to track agendas and update tasks in real time. Encouraging your team to replace traditional communication methods like emails and chat messages with Asana tasks will further promote its adoption. Encouraging collaboration and feedback will play a major role in refining the use of Asana to fit your team's dynamic. Regularly ask for input about what aspects of Asana are working well and which are not. This will allow you to customize workflows to better suit your team's unique processes. Celebrating small wins such as completed projects or increased productivity can also motivate continual use and recognize the value Asana brings to the team. Lastly, lead by example. As a leader, actively using Asana demonstrates its benefits firsthand. Consistent personal use establishes a standard and sets the expectation for your team to follow suit. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to successfully adopting Asana in your team's workflow, paving the path for enhanced productivity and streamlined project management.